Hello, baking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with the progressive ProKeeper Baker's Airtight Kitchen Storage Canister Container Set, designed to keep your ingredients fresh and your baking sessions seamless. This 6-piece set includes containers for flour, sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and 2 mini containers perfect for herbs, spices, or toppings, ensuring all your essentials are neatly stored and within reach. Each container features convenient measurement marks, so you can easily monitor ingredient levels and avoid those last-minute store runs. Crafted from durable, dishwasher-safe plastic, these containers are built to withstand the rigors of daily use while saving you time and effort in cleaning. The sugar container boasts a flip-pour spout, and the flour container includes a detachable level for precision, while the brown sugar canister comes with a terracotta disc to keep it moist and easy to measure. With the ProKeeper set, your kitchen will stay organized and clutter-free, making your baking adventures more enjoyable and efficient. So, get ready to elevate your baking game and keep your ingredients fresh and accessible with this fantastic storage solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.